Hello guys, today we talk about accident lawyer Los Angeles. So here are the best accident lawyer in the Los Angeles is the forthepeople.com. So here is the forthepeople.com car accident lawyers. Car accident victim get a lawyer. We don't to go through this alone. You may qualify for significant compensation. For significant compensation, please fill this form. So, here, car accident are life-changing experience. The crash itself is only the beginning of what be an extremely long process of filing an insurance claim, determining fault, and most importantly, getting the closure one needs to move on with their life. Don't go through this alone. So, at Morgan and Morgan, we have been fighting for victims of car accidents since 1988. Insurance companies tend to try to minimize compensation, but we won't accept anything less than what you deserve. Our attorneys have the resources to go to trial if that's what necessary to secure full and fair compensation for you. An American largest personal injury law firm you can trust to get the best result in your case. We have recovered over $9 billion for our clients and we may be able to help you too. So here are the review of Chanel S. Mem PhD and glad I chose Morgan and Morgan to help me after my motor vehicle accident. They have been nothing but help and informative since day one. The staff are very kind and caring and really focused on getting the patients back to being healthy. So here are some questions about car accident. So one of the is, should I hire a lawyer after my accident? Yes, if you have been in an accident, you should contact a car accident lawyer as soon as possible. How can an attorney help after an accident? Hiring an attorney after an accident puts someone in your corner who knows your state's law and the tricks insurance companies may try to play. At Morgan and Morgan, our attorneys will focus on your case by gathering evidence, consulting with experts and negotiating with the insurance company on your behalf. So you can focus on getting your life back on track. If it is necessary, an attorney might even take your case all the way to trial to get the compensation you truly deserve. So, what if I can't afford a lawyer? So here is the question: if you can't afford a lawyer, Morgan and Morgan believes that deserves high quality legal representation no matter their financial status. We operate on a contingency fee basis, which means you pay us only if and when we win your case. Our fee would come in the form of a percentage of the settlement or verdict amount we obtain. Why Morgan and Morgan? Some attorneys will settle for the last best offer. Not us. We will never settle for anything less than full and fair compensation. We have all the resources to take on the biggest bullies in America, like insurance companies, and win. All law firms are not the same. If you have been in a car accident, you can count on us. They're the only Morgan and Morgan. So here is the for the people best lawyer. They can provide you the best lawyer if you had a car accident victim. So Morgan and Morgan, you don't have to go through this alone. So here is the one of this the best car accident lawyers provided service companies. So here is also many services. Los Angeles car accident lawyer, the Reeves Law Group. The Reeves Law Group also provide the car accident lawyer services. So here is the they can recover over $25 billion for clients. So here are the Los Angeles car accident lawyer. The Reeves Law Group is a Los Angeles personal injury law firm that specializes in serious and catastrophic injury cases and has successfully represented thousands of injured car accident survivors throughout Southern California for over 35 years. We have recovered over $25 billion in verdicts and settlements for our clients. So, if you have suffered serious injuries from an auto accident and need of an expert legal representation, call our law firm today to speak with one of our special professional Los Angeles car accident attorney for a free consultation. We operate on a contingency basis and will not charge a fee or seek reimbursement for cost advanced unless your case is won. So here is the Reeves Law Group is well known and respected through a long record of success, helping plaintiffs fight large insurance companies, well-financed corporate and individual defendants, and have recovered over $250 million for our clients. These abilities are due to our large size legal expertise and financial resources. Lead trial lawyer Dirk Page has been featured us. So, our firm is proud of its reputation as one of the leading law firms in the state of California that advocates for injured victims for preventable automobile accidents. The Reeves Law Group 1055 W7ST 3333 Los Angeles. So, what clients have to say about Los Angeles car accident law firm? I was stopped for a red light in West LA when I was rear-ended by a Cadillac Escalade. I felt dizzy and my neck and back hurt. The driver who hit me tried to pay me not all the police or file a claim with his auto insurance. I immediately knew I needed to hire the best car accident lawyer in Los Angeles to help me with this. I hired the Reeves Law Group because I read reviews about what a great job they did on others people's personal injury cases. I was extremely happy with my attorney and the whole process went so much smoother once he was taking care of my case for me. He did an amazing job and I am very happy with the settlement he reached for me. So here is the reviewer Dan W. Dot. Case results $11 million. So, representation for serious car accident claims. Southern Californians depend on their cars to shuttle them through busy days. Each day, the area major freeways are swept with vehicle traffic. Freeway 15 recorded 24.5 billion driven in 2013. So, here is a many of the others. So, what to consider while choosing a Los Angeles car accident lawyer? When choosing a lawyer, consider three qualifications. Car accident attorney knows the law and how it affects your case, so it is vital to find one the knowledge and experience to handle your car accident claim. According the right lawyer will understand your medical needs and the impact of the collision on your personal and work life. Your lawyer should experience with cases similar to you. This helps to ensure that the lawyer knows the right strategy for your case, especially when a death is involved. An experienced auto accident attorney should be dedicated to their clients' cases and will not rest until their clients receive all the compensation they are owed. A well qualified lawyer will have experience with settlement discussion as well as taking cases to trial. Your lawyer should have the resources to investigate and prepare your case for a jury, should cover all cost of your trial and should not ask you pay a dime until winning money for you. When car accidents happen, many victims look to their insurance carriers to help them put their lives back together. Their problem is that they don't always want to pay the full amount needed for the car crash victim to totally recover. When a personal injury attorney represents crash victims, they will know how to deal with insurers so that they fulfill their obligations. The personal injury lawyers at the Reeves Law Group can evaluate your car accident cost during the initial consultation and map out a plan that details the medical bills, vehicle repairs, and other monetary damage you are owed. What to do after a car accident? Since accidents are completely unexpected, the impact can take us by surprise. In a moment, our lives can be turned upside down, and you can take a hike totally financially, physically, emotionally. So, the following tips will get you back in the car accident. So get a medical help. After that, call the police and collect evidence. Don't admit liability. Call an experienced Los Angeles car accident attorney. Take detailed notice as mentioned earlier. These steps we take after a traffic collision greatly affect our ability to successfully bring a claim for compensation from liable parties. The issue usually comes down to information. Does your car accident lawyer have enough information to demonstrate in settlement discussions or to a jury that party caused the crash and your losses? So, where were you going when the accident happened? Who were you with and who were you talking about? What was the weather like? What were the road conditions like? For example, was the asphalt wet? Was there heavy traffic? What did you experience and feel when the accident happened and right afterward? Did anyone say anything about the crash that stood out to you? In addition to this question, it is important to keep a daily journal concerning your injuries. Each day, evaluate your physical wounds, the pain, the case, and your mental state. Are you in lots of pain, having trouble sleeping, feeling nervous or depressed about the future, and worried about your inability to fully recover? It's a good idea to carry a journal with you at all times and write down any recollections you about the accident. This can relate to the crash itself, your injuries, losses you suffered because of the accident, and conversations you had with others about the crash. Sometime returning to the scene of the crash will bring back memories that you didn't remember right after the accident happened. So, here is why get a lawyer for a car accident. Many auto collisions are only minor fender benders that people think they can handle on their own, but even a common car accident may require legal expertise to ensure that the victim is properly compensated. Insurance companies can be difficult to work with and may offer an amount that is much lower than what the injured part needs to fully recover. Pursuing an insurance claim requires the energy, time, and knowledge that skilled lawyers in Los Angeles can provide. They can certain steps you can take when filing a claim that will help to process quickly and correctly. So, here is speak immediately with a lawyer and make sure to show them your insurance policy documents. Let your insurance representative know that you have been in a traffic collision and ask for a list of documents that they will need. Many times they will only want to see the documents of losses you have suffered, like cost of medical treatment, mechanics bills, and police reports. Ask your insurance agent for a timeline of when you need to submit any necessary paperwork. Always make sure to document every conversation you have with the insurance claims adjuster. Write down the name of the agent, their position, phone number, and office. Also note what was discussed during conversation. What can I do about my injuries? Even low impact and low speed auto accidents can cause severe car accident injuries to individuals. If you don't require emergency transportation to the hospital, you should still see your regular physician and can be examined for a possible injuries. Many times people suffer serious wounds to the spine or brain from serious car accidents. Rear end accidents can cause whiplash, which is rapid movement of your neck backward and forward. Whiplash can cause headaches and chronic pain, often requiring lengthy rehabilitation and long-term medication. So here is the who is at fault in a car accident. When someone in their car accident, they may be unsure of how to produce compensation from the people who caused the crash. Most collisions happened because of a bad decision on the road. So usually individuals who was hurt must show that the responsibility party caused the crash throughout. Negligence, and this requires proving four elements: duty, breach, causation, and duty, breach, causation, damage. Most commonly mistake that people make after injured in a car accident: not keeping your lawyer informed, not telling your lawyer about past injuries and lawsuits, not going to the doctor right away, not following doctor orders, trying to do much too soon, downplaying your injuries, hiring an inexperienced law, talking to Rangdos insurance company, posting details of your case or injuries online. So here is the type of car accident in California is driver negligence, poor road conditions. So here is the Reeves Law Group, which can provide you the personal injury lawyers. You can contact them if you had a car accident.